Hello all, my name is Arpit and today's topic is how to install the logic software for connecting the logic device. So let's get started. Open your browser, search for logic, Celia Logic 1.2.18 version we want. So click on download, click on first link, scroll down, here you can see logic 1.2.18 version and here is the download link. Click on the link and download will automatically start. See, my the download has been started. Let it complete. You can check the status here. Now it is completed. Let's click on show in folder. This is the .exe file, so you can directly right click on it and run as administrator. Once you run as an administrator, this window will open, which says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Say yes. Now it is starting installation. Click on next, accept the terms and conditions, next, select the folder where you want to install. I'm keeping it to default. Click next and it says click install to begin the installation. Click on install and installation begins. Once it is completed, this window will show up, completing the logic software setup wizard. Click on finish and that's it. Your software is installed. Let's open it. Logic, run as administrator. Click on. So this is our Celia Logic Analyzer software for connecting the logic device. When you connect the device, it is disconnected will convert into connected. Let's see. I am connecting the logic device. See, once I connected, it shows status as connected. So that's all about installing the Celia Logic 1.2.18 software. Thank you for watching.